Here are the crypto top headlines covered in this video. XRP price bull flag hints at 20% rally by New Year's. Next, enjoy sub $40,000 Bitcoin. Plan B stresses $100,000 average BTC price from 2024. Also, strap yourself in. Bull market coming early 2024, say crypto exchange heads. Welcome to Crypto Top Headlines, where there's no clickbait thumbnails or titles, and no speeches on my opinions, just bringing crypto's news to you. We are a new channel here on YouTube, and would greatly appreciate it if you would click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. It does help support the channel, so thank you in advance for doing so. Now, on to these headlines. Our first top headline, XRP price bull flag hints at 20% rally by New Year's. XRP may need to undergo a short sell-off period before confirming the upside continuation setup, as whales demonstrate bullishness. XRP price may rally over 20% in the coming weeks thanks to a classic bullish continuation setup. XRP price enters bull flag breakout stage. The so-called bull flag pattern develops when the price consolidates inside a parallel channel after a strong uptrend. It resolves after the price breaks above the upper trend line with convincing volumes and rises by as much as the previous uptrend's height. As of November 26, XRP was trading above its bull flag's upper trend line, albeit accompanying weaker volumes. That technically indicates a weaker conviction among traders about XRP's bullish continuation. The duration of traders' indecisiveness could have XRP price test the flag's upper trend line as support. That means a decline toward 59 cents, coinciding with a historical support level, and the 50-day exponential moving average, or 50-day EMA, the red wave, by November. This level is also around XRP's downside target on the weekly timeframe chart. XRP may then climb towards 75 cents in December, up over 20% from current price levels if the bull flag scenario holds and is characterized by a high volume rebound from the upper trend line. Conversely, breaking below the flag's upper trend line would delay the bullish continuation setup, bringing the lower trend line near 54 cents, coinciding with the 200-day EMA, the blue wave, into play as the next downside target. On-chain data shows XRP accumulation. XRP's on-chain data looks tilted toward bulls, thanks to strong accumulation among its richest addresses. Notably, the cryptocurrency's correction period has coincided with an increase in its supply among addresses with a balance between 100,000 and 10 million tokens. In total, these so-called whales have purchased $6.82 million worth of XRP tokens over the past week. In other words, these whales are buying XRP at the likely local lows, indicating their conviction about a price rise in December, which corresponds with the bull flag setup presented above. SEC versus Ripple decision looms. XRP's price has soared nearly 85% so far in 2023, with Ripple's partial win against the United States Securities and Exchange Commission serving as the primary bullish catalyst. However, the court must still decide whether Ripple's XRP sales to institutional investors broke U.S. securities laws. The trial between Ripple and the SEC will reportedly resume on April 23, 2024, with legal experts seeing a huge likelihood of a settlement. John Deaton, a crypto attorney, states that any settlement below $20 million will be a 99.99% win for Ripple. Our next top headline, enjoy sub $40,000 Bitcoin. Plan B stresses $100,000 average BTC price from 2024. Bitcoin is in its pre-bull market phase, and the delays of BTC price trading at current levels are numbered, the stock-to-flow creator says. Bitcoin buyers should enjoy the chance to add to their stack below $40,000, says one of the crypto industry's household names. In a post on X on November 24th, Plan B, creator of the stock-to-flow family of BTC price models, hinted that current levels would not be around long. Plan B, time is ticking on $40,000 resistance. Bitcoin is destined to go much higher than its recent 18-month highs, Plan B believes, and time is ticking to increase BTC exposure below $40,000. Known for his optimistic takes on long-term BTC price growth, Plan B used realized price data to support the case for bulls. Realized price is Bitcoin's realized cap, the sum total price at which all BTC last moved, divided by the current supply. It is currently at just below 21,000. Bitcoin bear market bottoms are characterized by the spot price dipping below the realized price, while bull markets begin once the spot crosses the 2-year and 5-month realized price levels. These refer to the realized price of coins that last moved within the last 2 years or the last 5 months, younger coins. BTC to USD is now once again above all 3 realized price iterations. Enjoy sub $40,000 Bitcoin while it lasts, Plan B commented on an accompanying chart. Asked whether the market should expect lower levels from here, Plan B would not be drawn, saying that he simply expected an average BTC price of at least $100,000 between 2024 and 2028, Bitcoin's next halving cycle. Bitcoin holders bet on 6 figures. While Plan B has fielded criticism over stock to flow and conceded that Bitcoin was not able to live up to his expectations during its 2021 bull market, 6-figure predictions for the next cycle are increasingly common. As Cointelegraph reported, these are coalescing around an area with $130,000 as its focus for the end of 2025. The halving itself, meanwhile, due in April 2024, should produce a return to around $46,000, further analysis says. Earlier this month, Plan B described Bitcoin as being in a pre-bull market phase with the real launch yet to come. Plan B tweeted, "In my opinion, Bitcoin is currently in pre-bull market yellow and on track towards a full-blown bull market red after having unless earlier ETF approval. Note, I changed colors and stage names again to better align with S2F model. The yellow is pre-bull, red is bull market, blue is pre-bear, green is bear market." Our next top headline, strap yourselves in. Bull market coming early 2024, say crypto exchange heads. The heads of Australia's largest crypto exchanges say a bull run is coming early next year. Others say it's already arrived. The market has already entered the first phase of a major rally, with the number of people buying crypto trickling upward, which is expected to accelerate early next year, the heads of Australia's largest crypto exchanges believe. Independent Reserve CEO Adrian Prolazny told Cointelegraph he expects market activity to see an uptick in early 2024 and is hiring to build infrastructure before that happens. "We're just doing everything we can to get ready for a bull market because we know that when the bull market comes, it happens very fast," he said. "You need to make sure you have the processes, people, and infrastructure in place so when your business triples overnight, you can handle it. I think the next 2 years are going to be good. Strap yourselves in." BTC Markets Chief Caroline Bowler said market conditions had grown more bullish over the year, with a general recovery that kicked off in January. Bowler added, while the trajectory of market gains hadn't exactly been linear, the industry-wide growth in both asset prices and tech applications was a reason to be confident. The current deployment of dry powder, an influx of new users and an uptick in trading volumes further support our assessment that we are in the early stages of a bull market. Tommy Honan, product strategy head at SwiftX, said his exchange had begun to see an uptick in buying activity and is moving quickly to shore up direct debit functionality, a recent pain point for Australia's crypto scene as Australia's Big Four banks have limited or outright banned deposits to some exchanges. Honan ruled out fear of missing out, or FOMO, as the reason for the activity uptick, instead highlighting that market fundamentals had become more attractive to investors who took the sidelines during the bear market. All our indicators are flashing green at the moment. We're seeing a significant number of customers come back to the market after periods of inactivity during the bear market. The market is waking up, but the truth is, no one knows where we're at in the cycle. Kraken Australia Managing Director Jonathan Miller was on the side of caution and said it can be difficult to tell what phase the market is in. There's a common misconception that the crypto markets are either in a bull market or bear market. In reality, there's a large gray area between these two, he said. Miller admitted that, compared to this time last year, there are plenty of reasons to be optimistic, specifically looking to next year's Bitcoin halving and Ethereum's Dencun upgrade, which he believes is already starting to pique attention from institutional and retail investors. The expanding institutional appetite for crypto assets is often underlooked. Yes, the markets are currently focused on ETF filings for Bitcoin and Ether, but in the last year we've seen a revival of interest from many institutional clients looking for exposure to this emerging asset class, he added. Binance Australia General Manager Ben Rose didn't want to make the call on whether a bull market had arrived, but noted that new registrations and trading activity on the Australian arm of Binance had increased in recent months. Rose said Binance Australia was focused on educating users ahead of a potential rally and ensuring users avoid FOMO buying. We asked a lot of existing customers about the reasons they got into crypto, and a quarter of them said that seeing others succeed with crypto was the main reason. That's the single biggest driver. So FOMO in crypto is a real thing, he explained. Rose said the key to retaining users throughout the next potential market surge was ensuring that people didn't get trampled during a market frenzy. Price is one thing that will unlock interest, but you want people to be able to onboard in a sustainable and reasonable way, so it's not just a one-off, he said. Sure, price might be the reason they first look at crypto, but ultimately, they're in there because they understand the benefits of it, and it becomes part of how they manage finances. So this concludes our top headlines. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. Also, leave your thoughts in the comments and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you all for watching Crypto Top Headlines, bringing crypto's news to you.